Catherine here. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. I'm just quickly jumping on to share with you, first of all, my Kitaholics kit for the month of September, but also all the goodies I picked up to add to my order. So I'll get started with the mixed media kits. And obviously the kit this month is based around the Daydream collection from Coco Vanilla Studio, and I'm just always amazed at how well Steph coordinates the accessories with these kits. So first of all, in the mixed media kit we got the Vicky Bouton premium acrylic paints. So these are in a gold. My package was a little bit damaged, but all the items inside are fine. So there's a silver, a rose gold, the gunmetal, and also a champagne gold. So they're going to really coordinate with this kit really nicely. And then there's also this darkroom door stencil. It's got a whole bunch of letters, so that'll be fun to play with. And as I said, this kit included a lot of the Daydream collection, which I won't go through in detail, but because I'm sure you've all seen it before. But the kit did include the puffy hearts, which are gorgeous, a pack of ephemera, so 70 pieces in there, the flare buttons, the titles, so lots of great die cut titles there, as well as a sticker sheet, the mini puffies from Let's Stay Home collection, which coordinate really nicely with this collection, and I never would have thought of that. I've already got a set of this alpha and I love it, and I've been using it a lot lately, so that will come in really handy. But then just the little extras as well that Steph puts in, like this this gold tulle is just gorgeous, and for sure I will be using that for some shaker pockets or something along those lines. And then this gorgeous heart, fabric heart as well to coordinate. So the papers, I'm pretty sure all 9 of the papers are included in this. So I'll just quickly flip through the wreath with the daisies on the back, this beautiful pink watercolor, and then the beautiful stripes. Already got a layout in mind that I'm going to coordinate with all these colors, and they're just gorgeous. So this gorgeous yellow and the raindrops on the back, again this pinky salmon color with hearts, and the butterflies. Definitely going to be fussy cutting a lot of paper over the weekend to start on some layouts, and this gorgeous polka dot, just sort of random black and white polka dot, and then the mixed media paper, which is always a great start for any base for a scrapbooking page. This gorgeous blue with the feathers and the rainbows, again very much able to fussy cut that. This paper is gorgeous. It's like a mermaid or fish scale kind of print in that salmon and the lighter pink, and then the cutter parts, and of course the wood grain is just to die for, along with this rainbow paper. I've seen so many people using this lately, so that'll be fun to play with. And again, I will definitely cut out a whole, fussy cut a whole sheet of this with those florals. And this paper is just gorgeous. Like the colors, I've seen it a lot on people's YouTube videos, but yeah, this is just absolutely gorgeous. So that's the actual kit. So on top of that, I did order, I'll just move this stuff out of the way. So of course I couldn't have enough Daydream collection, so I did go ahead and order everything else that was on offer. So more paper, the sticker sheet, I had to get these, and to be honest, like I probably should have got 2 packets. The sequin mix are just gorgeous. My son loves all of my layouts with the shaker pockets. They're the only layouts he says he likes, so probably need a whole bunch more of those. So they didn't obviously come in the kit, but yeah, I got them as extras. And then, you know, I'm doubling up on all of this stuff, but to be honest, it's so gorgeous. I'll use it. I'll probably, you know, give some to my sister as well. She'll enjoy using it with her crafting as well. So we've got plenty there. And as always, I like to get the 6x8 paper pack because I do a lot of cut files, and so this paper pack really comes in handy. And again, lots of elements I'll probably go ahead and fussy cut as well. So I got the whole collection there, so I won't go through that in any more detail. But I did pick up a few more bits and pieces because I'm in Melbourne, and we're still in stage 4 lockdown. So none of our retail stores are open. So everything has to be ordered online. And yeah, to be honest, I needed some more glue. Some more foam tape. They were kind of essentials that I needed to pick up. So yeah, I grabbed them from the shop and yeah, got them sent as part of my kit, which is awesome. And then I picked up these Nuvo drops. I've never used these crystal drops before. And there was a question in the Kitaholics Kit channel about, you know, what we'd like to see in terms of, you know, mixed media coming up. And someone mentioned Nuvo drops, and I was like, oh, I actually haven't tried them. So I wanted to give them a go. Yeah, and I've seen people use them in different ways. Obviously, you can use them to make, you know, the drops like enamel dots, but you know, I've seen people scrape them through their stencil or just use them on backgrounds, and it gives this beautiful shimmer and shine. So I'm keen to use these. So I got this one. I want to say this is yeah, simple white, and this one in antique rose. So yeah, they'll be fun to try. I was looking through my stencils as well and just found that I didn't have very many stars, and I use stars on a lot of things. I've got a boy, so I mean, I do use flowers, don't get me wrong, and I use love hearts for sure, but stars are one thing that I do use a lot of. So I thought yeah, this stencil by Darkroom Door was really gorgeous, and yeah, I can see myself using that a lot on layouts or in my art journal. Yeah, so that'll be good to play with. And then I picked up these Enamel Shapes. Well, they say they're Enamel Shapes, but actually they're more like a puffy sticker. But they're gold, and you know, there's hearts and stars, and you know, these arrows. They'll be perfect on any kind of layout. So sorry about the glare, but yeah, they'll be really fun to play with. So I guess, yeah, I got quite a lot of products, and yeah, it was fun. Oh, sorry, lastly, I didn't mention this. I got the Liquitex acrylic ink in white. So it's the titanium white, and I have got the gold and the black. And so yeah, I you know, it just leaves such a good finish. So I wanted to grab the white there to be able to use as splatters on my page. So I'll just go back in and show you all the goodness. So I have a lot to play with on the weekend, and mind you, I'm not short of scrapbooking supplies. I'm a pretty slow scrapbooker, but yeah, you know, this collection is just stunning. So I can't wait to have a play with all of these goodies. I feel like I've just yeah, won the lottery. And to be honest, it arrived in like 3 days. So I feel like anything being sent from another state to Victoria arrives really quickly. But if you order from stuff on, you know, from within Victoria, it takes a long time. But in saying that, I have been trying to support all the local businesses, you know, that I use and love, to hopefully get them through this, you know, not only Corona, but obviously the recession. So, you know, I really encourage you to go ahead and support your local either scrapbooking businesses or business in general. And yeah, just trying to do our part to yeah, keep them thriving. So yeah, that's my haul, and yeah, thanks for joining me. Bye.